today we're on our way to go pick up the tires for the Nugget and go from there. Gotta go to Torrance to go pick up the new rubber, see how it goes. We're gonna be taking a taco, see how that goes. So we're here. See how it goes. Well, getting the tires is kind of a bitch. I have to go all the way inside the store, drag them 2x2, and here they go. The tires for the Nugget. Tire shop, getting the wheels installed on the Nugget. This is the last time it should have these wheels. They're already dry rotted. You can tell the wheels are old. Needed to go. Quite a mission. Went to the tire shop, had them install the tires, balance them, do everything. Now let's see how it looks on the EK. But on this side I'm having some trouble just because of the car where it didn't hit is really super nasty right there. So I'm gonna have to address that. So far, looks good.
We had just Kumit, Nana, Onut, just our
Oh yeah,
center.
yeah, small
So
portion.
yeah, you're from Civic.